The spiritual life is not the knowledge on physical world that you have learned from your parents. Parents always guided us to gather data. They introduced the world to us through the data and labels. This is a flower. This is lamb. This is water. And so on. Then we entered those data to our memory. Always our parents fed our brains with data. After filling our brains with data, they told us, that's all we know. That's all what our parents taught us. Now continue your journey along. Now we think, why do they ask us to travel along? Once our pristine mind is filled with all the rubbish. That is the way. They are the parents. But a spiritual master does the opposite way. He steals the data filled by parents. The parents fed us data like this. They show us a flower and taught, this is a flower. Then we stored that data. Now you meet a spiritual master. Then you take a flower to him and ask, Lord, is this called a flower? No, wrong. That is just a label which is introduced by our parents in order to recognize this world. You memorize that because there isn't reality in that flower. Then that spiritual leader says you to abandon the attachment to data. So that's the enlightenment. Leave the attachments to the data. Now we know those data, we see this information, but we are free from attachment with that data. That unbound mind doesn't run fast either to the front or back. The person is seized. He has taken these data only to move through this life journey, to see and to listen only. He doesn't accept this data as the reality. Why is that? Because his spiritual master said that a parent's teaching was wrong. If you accepted data as the reality, then you won't be able to get rid of this cycle of existence. If you live without attaching to data by knowing those as just data, you won't see anything after the death. He is an enlightened one. So your birth exists until there are deep relatives in your mind only. Keep that in your mind. Actually, do not memorize these. Forget after listening. There is the birth in mind until there is a deep relative. If deep relatives are removed and understood, you become free from data. Once you become free from data, then there is the ultimate freedom.